TowPoint tow bar installation. On our website, you can find a map of installation locations where we also promote your services. Together, we are visible in online advertising, articles, blogs, and on social media. We also send customers notifications with tips about your other services. If the installation center is running a service campaign, we inform them on your behalf. The installation site only comes into contact with the customer on the day of installation. We take care of everything else for you. Franta thinks, I have a car and a tow bar would come in handy. Outside, he spots a TowPoint billboard and immediately takes a photo of it. He comes home and checks out the TowPoint.c's website. He finds out that he can submit a request directly on the website, so he gives it a try. In the configurator, he enters his car's make, model, and year of manufacture. Next, he chooses whether he wants a fixed or detachable tow bar and selects the type of socket he needs. He fills in his contact details and sends the request to TowPoint. The customer service center contacts Franta to confirm the details of his request. Together, they review the car type, the selected tow bar, and the electrical installation, and finally agree on the date and place of installation. On the day of installation, Franta brings his car to the service center and hands it over to the technician. The technician installs the tow bar, and if he notices worn tires or anything that needs fixing, he can immediately offer Franta a solution. Afterwards, Franta drives home happily.